Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if it is your first time here. My name is Jasmine Conde and I am your local Kalamazoo realtor, helping you make the move to Kalamazoo. Today, okay, here we got another guest down here. Say hi. They love to just make their appearances. But today we are going to explore the Kalamazoo Museum. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay guys, so we decided to go to the Kalamazoo Museum, which is across the street over there, but I wanted to show you guys the parking ramp that you could park at, and it's connected to the Radisson right there behind me. So you got that bridge and it connects to the Radisson. And this is located right here, Water Street and in Rose. So Water Street and Rose, you have a parking garage. We are gonna we gotta go this way and we gotta go that way. So I guess whichever one. Oh, now we could go this way now. Say whichever one cars first. Yeah. So now just going across. So this is part of like downtown Kalamazoo. So here we are. Right here is the Kalamazoo Valley Museum.
And it's also got our newest exhibit, Toy See Inside Story, which is so fun for all ages. So you have to check that out.
Okay. So decided to come here because it's free. So it's always good to have a place that you could come to that you don't have to pay for, and it's still just like really fun to explore. So I don't want to give away all the goods here because I want you guys to come and see, but I will give you guys just like a little brief look at stuff. Okay, enjoy. Okay, so we just came upstairs to the second level. It's really cool up here. It's a lot hands-on stuff downstairs. And then you come up here, it's like a kid zone behind me. And it's like, it's really sweet. Like, I'm gonna stop talking. You can see. Push the button to start. Oh, piece by piece. Oh, you gotta like build it and stuff. Oh, cool, look. All of the pieces. That's pretty cool. Oh, fishing gear. Okay.
Food preservation technology was changing from simply salting, brining, pickling, and drying to include the new techniques of canning. In Sally Hayner's 1862 diary, she says, "Ma went and got Amanda to come and show her how to can cherries. We stoned them, then put them into the jars, then set it in hot water until the fruit begins to blubber up, and then take them out and
So we're probably about, what, like halfway? Not even all the way halfway through the exhibit. exhibit, but we're having so much fun. It's actually some stuff here that's opened up from the last time I was here. So I'm like really excited to see that. And downstairs, the lady told me that more and more exhibits are opening up now. So if you came during the pandemic and a lot of things were closed down, hey, they're opening up. And then look at this cool view. You guys do this? Wish I had all these TVs at my house. I'm looking up there. But yeah, we're really enjoying ourselves. Like I said, I don't want to show you the whole exhibit unless you're not going to come. But I'll give you guys just a little bit more. Let's go. Hey guys. You guys look. You guys think I'll be good at serving you some food? Got some orange sherbet. All these different ice creams, food. Cook you guys up a good meal. Ooh, the stove even like comes on. Look how it lights up. How cool is that? Let's see. Off the water doesn't come on, but they do have some hand sanitizer. Just as good. You guys really have to come down here. It's so much fun. Big pulley, little pulley. Oh, look. Oh, you can build them. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that part was so fun. I don't know if you could hear me while I was in there because there was a lot going on, but it's just, it shows you the insides of different toys, and it's like really hands-on, so the kids will come in there and they can actually play with the stuff, pull on the gears and build gears and pulleys, and showing the inside of Hungry Hippo and all different games from back in the day. So pretty sweet. You guys make sure you make your way up to the 3rd floor. Okay, so it's free to everyone, and the only thing you have to pay for will be the Planetarium shows, and that's $3, so that's not expensive at all. So that's only on Friday and Saturday. Did you guys enjoy the video? Have you been to the Kalamazoo Museum before? Yes or no? If you have, what's your favorite exhibit? And if you have not, what are you waiting for? But, alright guys, that is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions about the museum, of course, I will put the website in my in the description, and or just drop it below, and if I know the answer, you know, I do not mind answering for you guys. But until next time, guys, bye.